Mark your cutting lines on the board. Cut along the centre line. Carefully make cuts towards the four corners of the board, but stop at 1 centimetre from the corners to avoid damage to the adjoining boards. Carefully finish the cuts to the edges of the board with your utility knife. Pry with your putty knife along the cut in the centre to loosen the long side pieces. Gently unlock the long pieces from the adjoining boards. Unlock the parts on the sides. Be careful not to pull and break the bottom tongue. Vacuum and clean out the opening. Remove all dust and debris. Prepare the new board by removing the tongue on the long side with your utility knife. Remove the top part of the groove on the short side. Cut the corner of the groove sides at a 45-degree angle. Apply adhesive to the groove sides of the installed floor, and also apply adhesive to the groove sides of the new board. Install by aligning the 45-degree cut corner first, and then slide the board into position. It is advised to practice the inserting of the new board prior to applying the glue. Firmly press the new board down and tap the board into place with a mallet. Remove any adhesive residue immediately using a small amount of acetone on a dry cloth. Add a weight to ensure good adhesion.